Hello guys, namaste. This is me, your friend BBZ Don Barung. Okay, so welcome back to my channel and my tutorials, my help for you guys, for the people who loves me. Okay, so today in this video I will show you how to clean your laptop and make a good relation between you and your laptop. Okay, so getting the things you buy in the first day, you need to make your laptop is in a good condition. Okay, so I will show you it, demonstrate you, so keep on watching. So guys, here are some things that I will show you and tell you what are the things that you need. Things that you need can be a cleaning. Okay, this is the cleaning fluid, perfect. Can clean the screen. Okay, the screen of your laptop, you can clean it. Okay, so this is for another lane. So, and what you need is you need some toothpick, some cotton buds, something like this one, like sellotape. Okay, and here are some sellotape. You can see it. Okay, I will tell you later. And you need some. Obviously, you need some screwdrivers. Yeah, screwdrivers. Yeah, and a hair dryer. And some the toilet paper, tissue paper, anything you got. And these are the laptop I will show you, and these are the another laptop I will show you. Okay, and obviously you need some brush. Yeah, some painting brush also is okay, and something like that brush which is not in use, and that can be also helpful. Okay, so as I telling you is that, so this is the laptop, and this is the company of the Lenovo, and then yeah, Lenovo, you can read it in the opposite way also. So when you are when there is power supply, you don't need to attach the battery. Okay, you don't need to attach the battery. So what you can do is that just plug this one. Okay, so plug the cable, the AC power, okay, adapter, and you can just unplug the battery. Battery निकाला र बत्ती yeah, बत्ती भएको बेलामा ब्याट्री नहाला, and just use the cable. Okay, and then you can use, किनकि जुन यो ब्याट्री हुन्छ नि, the battery inside is same like this battery, आयन ब्याट्री हुन्छ, यसमा 6 वटा जति हुन्छ. सो मैले यो ब्याट्री देखाउनुको कारण त्यही हो, डेमोन्स्ट्रेसन. सो ब्याट्री यस्तो हुन्छ कि यहाँ यस्तो खालको ब्याट्री हुन्छ. Such types of battery are fixed inside this, like this. Okay, 6 maybe, yeah, around 6. छोटो ब्याट्री यसरी राखेको हुन्छ भित्र, यसरी राखेको हुन्छ र दुईटा जति यसरी राखेको हुन्छ. Total 6 batteries are kept like this. Okay, so जति युज गर्यो त्यति नै यिनीहरूको लाइफ गर्छ. So use them once a month only. So when you go to sleep, or when you don't use the laptop, you just put the battery inside it, and inside it here, and charge it for 4-5 hours, and after that you can use it. And without that, you just plug it and you can use the battery. So once in every month, try this method. It helps your battery to go for a long time, years after years. Okay, so the batteries are like this. Okay, so keep in mind. So, and yeah, one thing, and you don't find a battery like this. Okay, you cannot find batteries like this we have in our digital cameras, or the DSLR cameras, and the phones, mobile phones. We don't have these batteries in this inside this. Okay, so just keep in mind. Okay, we don't have such batteries inside here. Okay, we don't have. If that technology will be developed, then that would be great. Okay, so batteries are like this, so keep in mind that you're gonna keep the battery life. Okay, so good. It costs hundreds of dollars. Okay, so expensive. So this is the CPU fan, this is the CPU master cooler, these are the RAM, sound card, these are the hard disks. Okay, and this is the Wi-Fi chip, and this is the DVD-ROM. Yeah, DVD-ROM, and yeah, you just need to clean. You can clean this also. You can see so many dust particles inside hole, and you can see so many dust there. You need to take this out also. Okay, you can open it. And so before you buy a laptop, what you need to do is that you find some of the laptop where there is written like this one. Where is it? Yeah, smart fan noise controller is good, so it doesn't allows here the fan to get heated so fast and make some noise. Okay, yeah, so buy some laptop that has from the company that smart noise control. Okay, yeah, noise control, yeah. And this is the Lenovo Z580, which has the Intel processor inside, Core i5, which have a video graphic of NVIDIA GeForce 2GB RAM. That means this laptop can play high quality games, the PC games. Okay. So guys, so what I need to put is that, and I'm using my Windows 8 laptop, and the cable connected to it, and you can see there clearly, yeah, as you can see clearly. So there is no battery, okay, so there's no battery connection here, you can see no battery, okay. So use like that, and yeah, you can use like that. And another process is why I keeping this one here, okay. So you can keep is as a PC cooler, okay, the cooler for the laptop cooler, okay. So very cheap to buy, you can get anything, this sellotape, okay. With the help of this you can do some great things to your laptop, and you can make it cool, not make so hot your laptop, okay. The laptop easily gets warmed up, and the temperature gets so hot, and it slows down your computer processing, okay, the performance. So use this step, I will show you. So I do always this, and it makes my computer good, and it's good, and it also good makes your computer run faster during the like high gaming programming like that also, okay. So what you need to do is that keep inside down, and try to keep this also down like there, and using that and making some space. Yeah, if you don't believe me, you can put, yeah, I can put it this one also inside. You see there. So at last, I hope guys you really understood my video, and you really got it what I did. So I hope you and your laptop gonna be perfect, clean for years and years, and I guaranteed it. You need to do and believe in yourself. Keep them. Bye bye. Peace.